Hey guys, it's Ruben here and I want to show you this banging Montreal steak bagel. Just look at that cross section, you know it's going to be good. We've got ribeye steak, melted cheese, horseradish, mustard, red onion and the secret weapon, Schwartz Montreal Steak Seasoning. I don't mess around with this stuff. Sprinkle generously on your raw steak. Get that crust. You want that sizzle, that's the flavour locking in over the flame. Get the perfect sear on both sides. I'm looking for a nice rosy pink centre. Wow. Now it's time to build. Be generous with the mustard and horseradish, and pile on the steak, red onion and cheese. Blowtorch time, just look at that beast. Smoky, juicy, cheesy, unreal. Bagel goals, right? I've found my flavour, now it's up to you.